Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're all having a great day or a great evening. Long time no see. Hope you're all doing well. And I appreciate all of the backup for the channel in my absence. Special thanks, of course, to the members of the channel who are increasing by the day. Thank you so much, guys, for your financial support, for your backup, and for everything. Alright, so what I've got for you today is a real-world application. It's an airline mobile application created in Kivy, alright, in Python. Alright, so let me show you the demonstration of this app. The next video is going to be the actual tutorial. I wanted to keep it free and accessible to everyone. There will be a part, a special part only for the members of the channel where we can send actually an email and have a confirmation. All right, but other than that, it's going to be accessible for everybody. All right, so this is the app. That's the main interface. A lot of you guys know that I'm Egyptian, and I decided to call it Bastet Skyway Booking System. You can Google Bastet, this cat goddess, and yeah, you can read about her. So this is our mobile app. That's the main interface. You have here two buttons: view available flights and my bookings. You can check my bookings for the history, right? That shows you the previous bookings that you made throughout this application. You can get back to main menu and you can click on view available flights. So these are the available flights. Now, I'm not connected that to an external API, which by the way would be an awesome idea. But yeah, I've hard-coded everything, the flights, the prices, and everything. You can improve upon this application, of course, and you can do your own version. But for sake of simplicity, we can keep it like that. We can hard-code everything, all of the data. But anyway, let's choose a flight. Let's go from London to New York. We're going to change the dates, obviously, so we can click on that. We can choose the seat. Now we have different classes. We have economy, business, and first class. We can choose business class. So let's click on C3 to choose that seat on the aisle. You can unclick it to choose a different place if you want. We can choose D4, and you can choose multiple chairs, obviously. Now we can confirm the selection, and we can enter our name. We can say here, Amir Samuel, and my email is backbrace@outlook.com. Confirm booking. Awesome. First of all, it gives you a confirmation message. Booking confirmed. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. All right. And that is your ticket. Of course, this is a very simple way to create a ticket. That's, of course, obviously, that's not a real ticket. But you have got all of the necessary data. You have the passenger's name, the origin from, destination to, the date, the seat number, the class, and the confirmation number. And to give it a more professional touch, we will create a QR code. All right? All right, and we are back to the main menu. Alright, so this is simply the application that we're going to create. Now, let me show you in my email the confirmation that I've received. So that's my email box. Usually it will go to the junk mail, and there we go. Amir Beg Basha, this is the email that is going to send to your email. Alright, so I'm going to show you for the members of the channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But that's the email. You can see here. That's the confirmation. Dear Amir Samuel, we thank you for choosing Bastet Skyway. Your flight has been confirmed. And the same data. Please arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before departure. Safe travels, Bastet Skyway team. You can try to connect it with an external API to bring real flights at real time. That might be a very good idea. And yeah, you know, you can change whatever you want to change, but yeah, don't sell it for money. We're going to write it in Python. As I said, we're going to write Kivy code. That's different from Python. That's a file with its extension, Kivy extension. And yeah, we're going to use SQL Alchemy for database. And yeah, it's going to be a fun little application. And I hope you will enjoy it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you in the next video where we're going to actually code this awesome application.